Mr. Speaker, sir, before I substantiate, we must understand that I hope my time is being saved. We must understand that information is immaterial. That's why we are told that in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. It's immaterial. It's spiritual. And I want to begin by partially substantiation there is the money that was given to the NYOTA fund by the World Bank. Where in the budget was it approved? That loan that was given. So, Mr. Speaker, this bill is a very important bill for us, but it amounts to a lot of pounding water in a mortar. It amounts to pounding water in a mortar if we don't restore the checks and balances that ensure that public money is controlled. We must control money. So the system that is broken, as my brother is saying, I hope that's parliamentary to call you my brother, is good for us to go back as parliament, and I would be requesting the leadership of the House to give prominence to the requirement in the Constitution that we have control over public funds, that the power of the purse leaves the presidency and comes back to parliament, that the power of the purse leaves the governor's chambers or residence and comes back to the National Assembly, to the county assemblies. That way, it's not a manifesto issue. It's an issue that's in the Constitution that requires implementation. Article 225, Clause 1 is very clear. And you have to read it as separately from Article 225, Clause 2. We are required to make two laws. We made one and made a mess of it. And the country is suffering because of that. It is something we can do. I don't know how to refer to him, but there's a way in which somebody ought to bring a bill. And if I don't know if he can use less of my time, just inform the House if the bill is in process or not. If he knows himself, I don't know how to refer to him. But that we should be able to help us.